Okay, good morning students. Let's start the exercise, miscellaneous exercise chapter number 8. Okay, in previous videos we have already done exercise 8.1 and exercise 8.2. Okay, that is we had already know how to find the area under the simple curve and area under two curves. Okay, now we will do the miscellaneous exercise, means the questions mix up questions from exercise 8.1 and exercise 8.2, means area under simple curve and area under two curves. Okay, so let us start with question number third. Okay, question number third, that is find the area y equals to 4x square, x equals to 0, y equals to 1 and y equals to 4. Okay, find the area bounded by the region lying in the first quadrant, bounded by this curve. X is equals to 0, that is y axis, y equals to 1 and y equals to 4. Okay, so first of all we will sketch the rough diagram of the given curve, and the given curve is y equals to 4x square or x square equals to y upon 4. You know this is parabola. This is parabola with y, positive y axis as its axis. So this is parabola. Okay, so this is x square is equals to y upon 4. Okay, x is equals to 0 is this, x is equals to 0 and y equals to 1, y equals to 1, y equals to 1 and y equals to 4, y equals to 4. Okay, so area of the region bounded by line in between parabola, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1, y equals to 4 in first quadrant. Okay, so this is the required area that we want to find. Okay, the shaded portion is the required area. Okay, now in this diagram, this is the rough diagram. Okay, rough sketch. Now we have to find the area of the elementary strip. Okay, here we will take a horizontal strip. Okay, horizontal rectangular strip, this one. Okay, and you know its area is, its length is x, and its width is dy, that is why its area is x dy. Okay, so area of elementary strip, that is equals to x dy. Okay, now this strip will move from y equals to 1 to y equals to 4. So total area of the region is equals to y equals to 1 to y equals to 4. Y equals to 1 to y equals to 4 x dy. Okay, x is taken from this parabola. X is equals to under root y upon 2. Okay, so total area is equals to 1 to 4 under root y upon 2 dy. Okay, so this is the integration form of the area of the region, required region. Okay, now we have to integrate only this, so no need of this diagram. Now 1 by 2 under root y means y raised to the power 1 by 2, and its integration is y raised to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, limit varying from 1 to 4. So this is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, y to the power 3 by 2 means 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 to the power 3 by 2, and this is equals to 1 by 3 into 4 to the power 3 by 2 is 8. 8 minus 1, that is 7. So 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is the required area. Okay, 7 by 3 is the required area of the region or the region bounded by this parabola y-axis, y equals to 1 and y equals to 4. Okay, now let us take the another question. This one is the third question. This one is the third question of the exercise. This is exercise chapter number 8. Okay. So next question is question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is find the area. Question number 5 is find the area bounded by the curve y is equals to sin x. Y is equals to sin x between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2 pi. Okay. So we have to find the area bounded by the given curve, and given curve is y equals to sin x. So we have to draw the rough sketch of sin x from 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So sin 0 is 0. This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and this is 1 and this is minus 1. So at 0, sin 0 is 0, at pi by 2 1 and pi 0. So this one is and this one is. So this is the rough sketch of the y equals to sin x from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2 pi. Okay. Now we have to find the area of this region and this region. Okay. This region and this region. The sin x, the graph of sin x or the region of the sin x bounded by the curve sin x having the same area between same interval. Okay, so from 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi sin x having the same area. That is why we will find the area of this loop only from 0 to 2 pi, and then we will make double of this so that we can find the total area. Okay, so here we will take a strip. We will take a strip, vertical strip. Vertical thin strip, this one is. Okay, its length is y and its breadth is dx, that is why its area is y dx. Okay, now this strip will move from 0 to pi, then pi to 2 pi. Okay, 0 to pi. So area of the region bounded by given curve is equals to in first quadrant is equals to 0 to pi y dx. Okay, and total area is equals to double of 0 to pi y dx. That is equals to double of 0 to pi y. Y is taken from this sin x dx. Okay, so from this we can find the total area. So total area is equals to double of integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x and limit varying from 0 to pi. So this is equals to minus 2 into cos pi minus cos 0. Cos pi minus cos 0, and this is equals to minus 2 into cos pi is minus 1, cos 0 is 1. So minus 2 into minus 2, that is equals to 4. Okay, so area of the curve or area of the region bounded by the curve y equals to sin x between x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 pi is 4 unit square. Okay, in this way we can find the area. So this was question number 5. Okay, now let us take the question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8 is, question number 8 is, find the area of the question number 8 is, find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse. Bounded by the ellipse. Ellipse is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 is equals to 1. Bounded by the ellipse and the lines. Line is x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 1. This one is the ellipse and that one is the line. And we have to find the area of smaller region bounded by these two curves. Area of smaller region. Okay, so smaller region. Now first of all draw the rough sketch of the given curve. That is ellipse. Here a square is equals to 9 and b square equals to 4. A equals to 3 and b equals to 2. So a is greater than b. A is greater than b. That is why it is horizontal ellipse. Okay. So this one is the ellipse. So this, the coordinate of the vertex is 3, 0 and 0, 2. Okay. Now we have to draw the line. Line x upon 3 plus y upon 2 equals to 1. Y equals to 0, x equals to 3. 3, 0 is 1 point and x is equals to 0, y equals to 2. 0, 2 is another point. So 3, 0 and 0, 2 are the point lying on x axis and y axis of this line. Okay, so 3, 0 and 0, 2 are the points. Now joining these 2 points we will have the line. This one is the given line, that is x upon 3 plus y upon 2 equals to 1. Okay. Now question is to find the area of the smaller region bounded by these 2 curves. So smaller region is this one. This one is the smaller region bounded by both the curve, that is ellipse, and the given line. Okay. Now we have to find the area of this region. Okay. And to find the area of this region, we have to take the strip that is horizontal or vertical. Any strip can be taken. So take the vertical strip. And its length is y2 minus y1 and its width is dx. So y2 minus y1 dx is the area of the elementary strip. Area of the elementary strip, that is equals to y2 minus y1 dx. Okay, y2 minus y1 dx is the area of elementary strip. Okay, now this strip will move from the limit 0, x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 3. Okay, so total area is equals to x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 3, y2 minus y1 dx. Okay, now this is equals to 0 to 3, y2 means y upper. Upper is the ellipse. So y2 is taken from the equation of ellipse. So solving the equation of ellipse, x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 is equals to 1. Y square upon 4 is equals to 1 minus x square upon 9 implies that y equals to 4 upon 9. Y square is equals to 4 upon 9 minus x square after taking LCM, and y is equals to 2 by 3 9 minus x 2 by 3. But we are considering the first quadrant, that is y plus sign, plus 2 by 3 under root 9 minus x square. So y2 is this. y2 is this, and y1 is taken from the lower curve. Lower curve, that is line. So y1 is taken from the straight line. Okay. So solving the straight line, this one. Solving the straight line, x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 1. Y is equals to 2 upon 3 minus x. Okay. 2 upon 3 minus x. So this one is the y1. So y2 minus y1. y2 is 2 by 3 under root 9 minus x square, and y1 is 2 by 3 minus x dx. y2 minus y1 dx. Okay. So this is integration form. This is the area of the smaller part of the region, area of the required region given in question. Okay, means area lying between these two curves, that is ellipse and the line, straight line. Okay, now we will solve only this and taking upper limit and lower limit. So there is no need of this diagram. If you want to wipe out, you can wipe out this. So integrating this, taking 2 by 3 throughout common. Now under root 9 minus x square. Integration to 0 to 3 under root 9 minus x square dx minus integration 3 minus x dx 0 to 3. This is equals to 2 by 3. Integration of this one is x by 2 under root 9 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by 3. This is the integration of this, minus integration of this is 3x minus x square by 2, and limit vary from 0 to 3. Okay. Now let us have to calculate the limit. Calculate the limit. No need of this diagram and other calculations. No need of diagram and the other calculations. So this one is equals to 2 by 3. Taking upper limit. Taking upper limit, that is 3. 3 by 2 under root 9 minus 9. 3 square, that is 9. 3 square that is 9. 9 plus 9 by 2 sine inverse 3 by 3. This is the upper limit of the first integration minus lower limit, that is 0. 0 by 2 under root 9 minus 0 minus 9 by 2 sine inverse 0 by 3. So this is the upper limit and lower limit of first integration minus upper limit of second integration 3 into 3 minus 3 square by 2 minus lower limit 0, 3 into 0 minus 0 square by 2. Okay. Now this one is 0, this one is 0, and this one is also 0, and this one is also 0. So the remaining terms are equals to 2 by 3 into this one is 9 by 2 sine inverse 1, 9 by 2 sine inverse 1 minus 9 minus 9 by 2, that is 9 by 2. So 2 by 3 into 9 by 2 taken as common, sine inverse 1 minus 1, that is 3 into pi by 2 minus 1. This is the required area of the region. Okay. So in this way we can find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse and the straight line. Okay. So this was question number 8. 9 is same. So now let us take the question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 is of the miscellaneous exercise. miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 11. Using the method of integration, find the area bounded by the curve. Question number 11. Modulus x plus modulus y is equals to 1. This is the curve, and we have to find the area of the region bounded by this curve. Okay. Curve is modulus x plus modulus y is equals to 1. So how to find the area? How to find the area? Modulus x plus modulus y is equals to 1. Modulus x plus modulus y equals to 1. This can be write down as, the given equation can be write down as plus minus x plus minus y is equals to 1. X can have the value plus and minus. Similarly, y can have the value plus and minus. That is why plus minus x plus minus y is equals to 1. Actually, this is not a single equation. This contains 4 equations, 4 more equations. Okay. So what are those equations? Those equations are, this can be written as, or the curve having 4 equations. 4 equations, and what are those equations? Those equations are plus x plus y is equals to 1, plus x minus y is equals to 1, minus x plus y is equals to 1, and minus x minus y is equals to 1. Equation second, equation third, equation fourth. Okay. So these are the 4 equations of the given curve. Now we want to draw the sketch or draw these lines in 2-dimensional Cartesian plane. Okay. So we want the solution, at least 2 solutions of each of the equation. Okay. So solutions are x is equals to, y is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, and x is equals to 0, y equals to 1. This equation having 2 solutions, 1 0 and 0 1. Similarly, if y equals to 0, x is equals to 1, and x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 1. This equation having 2 solutions. Okay. So this one is A and this one is A. Now solution of third equation. Y equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1, and x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. And lastly, y equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1, and x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 1. So these are the 2 solutions of each of the equations. Okay. Now we have to plot these points on 2-dimensional geometrical plane, Cartesian plane. Okay. So let us have a look. This one is 1 and 1. This is 0 1. Sorry, this is 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 and 0 minus 1. Okay. So first equation is 1 0 and 0 1. So this is first equation. This one is first equation. Graph of the first equation. And second equation is 1 0. 1 0 is common. 1 0 is common, and 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. So second equation is this. This is second equation. This is first equation. Okay. Now third equation. Third equation is minus 1 0 and 0 1. So 0 1 is common, minus 1 0. This is third equation. And after joining minus 1 0 and 0 minus 1, we will have the fourth equation. So fourth equation is this. Okay. This is fourth equation. So we are having a diagram like this. This is a square. In shape. Okay. So having the vertex 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 and center Okay, so this is the rough sketch of the given curve. Rough sketch of the given curve. This is first part of our solution of the given question. Now we have to determine the area of the elementary strips. Now let us have a look on this diagram. This part, this part, this part and this part. Means diagram is dispersed in all the 4 quadrants. Okay, and all the parts in each of the quadrants are same. This part, this part, this part and this part are same. That is why we will find the area of one of the part and will multiply by 4 to find the total area. Okay, so we will find the area in first quadrant. First quadrant, that is this. Okay, so let us have a vertical strip of the length of the area y dx. Okay, so area of elementary strip. Area of the elementary strip. Area of elementary strip. That is equals to y dx. And now this vertical strip will move from x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 1. Okay, so area of region lying in first quadrant, that is equals to 0 to 1, x is equals to 0 to x equals to 1, y dx, and total area of the region bounded by given curve is equals to 4 times of this area, 0 to 1 y dx. 4 times of 0 to 1. Y is taken from this curve. Y is taken from this curve. This line, and this line is first line. So y is taken from first line, that is equals to 1 minus x. So 1 minus x dx. This is the total area. This is the total area of the region bounded by the given curve. So solve this. So this one is equal to 4 into x minus x square by 2, limit vary from 0 to 1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 4 into 0 minus 0 by 2. So this is equals to 4 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 2. So area of the region is 2 unit square. Area of the region is the 2 unit square. Okay, so this was question number 11. This was question number 11 of the given exercise. Now let us have next question that we will take is question number 10. Question number 10. Okay. Question number 10 of the miscellaneous exercise chapter number 8. Question number 10 is, find the area of the region enclosed by the parabola x square is equals to y. Bounded by x square equals to y and the line is y equals to x plus 2. Y is equals to x plus 2 and the x-axis. And the x-axis. Okay. So now we have to find the area. X square equals to y, having the rough diagram. X square equals to y is the parabola. X square y is equals to y is the parabola having the vertex at 0, 0, and y is equals to x plus 2. Y is equals to x plus 2 means y equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2, and x is equals to 0, y equals to 2. So this is 0, 2 and this is minus 2 0. So this line will intersect the curve H. Okay. So area is this. Area that we want to find is this. Okay. Now we can take vertical strip. We can take vertical strip, this one, and its area is y2 minus y1 into dx. Okay, its area is y2 minus y1 into dx. This is the area, elementary area of the vertical strip. So elementary area of the vertical thin strip that is equals to y2 minus y1 into dx. Now this strip will move from the point P to point Q. From point P to point Q. So we have to find the coordinate of the point P and Q. Okay, coordinate of point P and Q. So this can be found by solving the equation of parabola and line, means solving this equation and this equation. Okay, so solving first and second, y is equals to x plus 2 and x square equals to y. Solving for x, that is we have to eliminate y. So x square is equals to y and y is equals to x plus 2, implies that x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0, implies that x minus 2 x plus 1 is equals to 0, implies that x is equals to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So this point, at this point x is equals to minus 1 and at this point x is equals to 2. So we have find the limit, that is minus 1 to 2. So total area of the region lying between given curves, okay, is equals to, limit vary from minus 1 to 2, minus 1 P to Q, limit vary from P to Q, that is minus 1 to 2, and y2 minus y1 into dx. So this is equals to minus 1 to 2, y2 is upper curve. Y2 means y is from upper curve is the line, so y2 from this line. So y2 is equals to x plus 2. So x plus 2 minus y1 is from lower curve, that is parabola. So y1 is equals to x square. So minus x square dx. y2 minus y1 dx, limit vary from minus 1 to 2 is the required area, is the total area of the region lying between the given two curves. Okay, so now we have to solve this. This is equals to x square upon 2 plus 2x minus x cube upon 3, limit vary from minus 1 to 2. Okay, after integrating this, x square upon 2 plus 2x minus x cube upon 3 and limit vary from minus 1 to 2 is the total area. Now we have to put the upper limit and lower limit, so no need of this diagram and the other calculations. Okay, so wipe out all these from the board. Okay, solving this, taking upper limit 2 square upon 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 cube upon 3 minus lower limit minus 1 square upon 2 plus 2 into minus 1 cube upon 3. Solving this, 2 to the 4 upon 2, 2 plus 2 to the 4 minus 8 upon 3 minus 1 by 2 minus plus 2 minus plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so taking 3 to the 6 as LCM, 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 48. Okay, 3 to the 6 minus 16 minus 2 3 is 6 minus 3 to the 6 48 minus 32 30 minus 3 27 upon 6. So 27 upon 6 is the area of the region. Okay, 2 4 6 and 2 8 6 ja 48 minus 3 to the 6 2 8 ja 16 minus 2 3 is 6 minus 3 and 3 to the 6 3 2 5 21 27 by 6. Okay, so this is the final answer of the question number 10. The remaining question we will take in the next class, that is next part of the video. Okay, thank you.